Up every morning just to keep a job. I gotta fight my way through the hustling mob. Sounds of the city pounding in my brain, while another day goes down the drain. But it's a 5 o'clock world when the whistle blows. No one owns a piece of my time, and there's a 5 o'clock me inside my clothes, thinking that the world looks fine, yeah. Not a lady, yeah.
So we made it through 2018.
Barely.
I feel like something's missing though, some end of the year tradition. I feel like there's something we forgot to
Isn't
do.
there normally something we're having?
Did someone say missing something? Well, I'm happy to bring the first of 2019's Mugcrate for all your tiki needs, fresh from the far-off lands known as Atlanta.
That says December 2018 there.
Have you tried driving in the traffic in Atlanta? I saw 17 bodies alone.
Good point.
3 o'clock in the morning.
I've been to Dragon Con, yes.
14 lanes down to one. Both ways. Both ways.
Does not surprise me.
But enough about that. Let's talk about this Mugcrate box with all the tiki goodness inside for your ass.
And this is our friend Ron.
You may have seen him in some of the other videos, although not with that. Anyway.
Move aside. Let me put this here box in here. All right, good. And before we get talking, let's talk about Freaky Tiki Theater, starring me and these two, Matt and Sheila. Abby.
And we also have some other videos coming out. We have the Kitsch-ers Go to Disneyland Part 2 coming
You went to
very
Disneyland
soon.
without me. You went to Disneyland without
They
me?
have a very strict pet policy.
I'm housebroken. Up that mouse is 8.
Yeah, I don't know if you're that house.
All right, well, neither here nor there. Let's crack open this box
All
and
right.
get to cracking.
Let's go. Let's see what we got. You didn't, hey.
How do you propose that we get into this box?
Yeah.
Oh, don't ask me. I don't know how boxes work. I'm not a scientist.
You
Look,
don't have to.
but I do know who can help. Because Australians know one thing. We know how to hate a bunch of Kiwis. But we also know that when we can't open the box, we use Box Away for all your box opening needs.
Box away? That sounds intriguing. Show us how it works.
All right, first you...
Thanks, Box Away.
Don't mention it, Bruce and Sheila.
Okay, now, if you wouldn't mind.
Oh, sorry. All right, good on you.
Ooh. 2 envelopes this time.
Ooh.
What you got?
All right, I got a Christmas card. A few weeks late. It is a fish with a Santa hat, and it's blank.
Is
Let's
it
do-
feeling blank inside?
I'm sorry you're feeling blank inside.
Yay, Brian Regan. Okay. Oh,
Next.
Tacoma Cabana Swizzle Stick.
I think that's number 3 that we've gotten in a mug crate from
We'll
these.
just,
Put him right here with the others. There we go.
and let's see, we've got a sticker. That's looks like Death
Ooh.
carrying a D&D book.
Oh yeah. Is that Tiki? I feel like that's more like heavy metal Dungeons and Dragons. I feel like that's more your department.
This would be perfect for my next church service. Thanks to our Mugcrate from Tikiland.
And then we have what comes in the box
Always what comes in the box.
that we never look at.
We never do.
No.
Well, maybe yet. All right, here we go. Into the real things. We have was that Boilo? Is that what that says?
Boilo?
Boilo. Hot toddy. Yes, Boilo. It's from apparently it's from Coal Country, Pennsylvania, which is weird because that's where my dad comes from, and I've never heard of this before.
Although Boilo sounds like a brand name from the 40s, you know.
I think
Get
it
your
is.
Boilo.
I think it may be. Yes, the coal miners drank Boilo, so hot toddy mix. Awesome. Let's go with this next.
It's brown paper
Yay.
and bubble wrap. Oh, it's glass.
Oh, a glass. All right.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's a... I know what those are called, and it's blanking on me, but yes, that is a classic tiki shape of a glass. I cannot remember what it's called. You find these in almost every tiki bar, though.
It's from Beach Bum Berry.
Beach Bum. Okay, so this is the second Latitude 29 Beach Bum Berry glass we've gotten in a Mugcrate in a row. Hey, Ronnie.
Hi, I just want to throw in one little thing for you.
Yes, what's that?
Because this is a really nice looking glass. It'd almost be perfect for a Dole Whip.
That would be perfect for a Dole Whip. I like the way you
Dole
think.
Whip with rum.
Rum Dole Whip.
Rum Dole Whip.
Oh, Dole Whip float. Yes. All right.
So, a Bob Dole Whip.
Bob Dole doesn't like that. All right. And we got, whiskey. No, original. Is it a whiskey stone or a whiskey?
Yeah, so whiskey
No, or is it a mold?
for an ice
It's an ice cube mold to make your own Death Star. Or, yeah.
whiskey ball.
Whiskey ball, but it's because of the hole in it, it looks like the Death Star.
We're gonna go with Death Star.
Yeah, see, it's got the trench. There he is. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
All right.
All right, are we on to the main event?
Let's see. I think we are. Main event time. All right. Yep. Let's get rid of that. Main event.
Ooh. I saw what it said on the box.
Oh, see, I didn't. Oh, it's a what? It's an ashtray. No.
No,
A Christmas tree?
No.
What in the world am I looking at here?
it looks like it's a fish bowl.
Tiki farm. Oh, it's a fish. Oh, I see. They're fishes. But it also looks kind of like a Christmas tree if you hold it up like
turn
that.
Turn around, especially. Wait, turn around.
Wait,
Like that.
Oh, yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an arrow, I guess. It's an arrowhead, poison arrowhead. So there you go. That's it for this quarter's Tiki mug crate. You got a sticker, a card, little things. One of these, which is very cool, very specialized. You're not gonna find these anywhere. Ice cube mold, and this is sort of the main event. I don't know. Is it? Do you put nuts in this, or do you drink out of
I
it?
think it's a drink mug.
It's a drink mug?
Like a bowl, like a party bowl for one.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, party bowl for one. I often have parties for one. It's at night after you go to bed. I'm like, Abby's asleep. Woo! Maybe not.
So until next time, don't forget we've got Disneyland Part 2 coming out, and check us out on our other channel, Niche of Kitsch, for Freaky Tiki Theater with Ron. Come on back.
Yes. Wait, are we watching this on Niche of Kitsch? Or
I'm watching this right now as
Both
you record
channels.
this.
both channels. We're going to put this on Niche of Kitsch and Kitschers Go, because why not?
And don't forget to watch Freaky Tiki Theater. Whenever we feel like it, we got a new episode in record right now.
Yeah. I believe the next one coming up is Not of This Earth.
By Roger Corman.
I love a good Roger Corman.
He was also full of rum.
And bullshit.
Thanks for watching, and remember,
Whatever happens, like, your crazy friend coming in and pretending he's from Australia.
Why you gotta put me on blast like that, mate?
Just roll
You
with it.
son of a...